Look at this. It may look like I'm bird watching, which I am, but what is he trying to do? Seriously. Birds are the stupidest. Shut the fuck up. Birds are the stupidest creatures ever. See, are you kidding me? Repeatedly. Why does he want in so bad? And then I think another one comes down too and bangs on the other window right over there. What did I ever do to these birds? See, there's one up in the tree there. I don't know if he's with this one here. Oh yeah, they're together. Cool. Awesome. See what happens now. Oh, they're figuring out a plan right now, I think. This is ridiculous. What's he gonna do? I don't know, you can't see this as good as I can, I don't think. I got it zoomed in all the way. It's ridiculous. And it's like, I don't know if the stupid thing is going to cause any damage to my apartment. They'll be like, what happened? Oh, a bird kept flying into my window. How do you explain that? I already tried calling the front desk. I'm sure it sounded like a weirdo. Okay, I think he's done for now.